Ever wonder what really goes down when a U.S. Navy carrier battle group rolls out to sea? I'm talking about those armadas you see in the movie's aircraft carrier at the center, bristling with firepower and a whole fleet of warships guarding it like a floating fortress. But here's the twist. No two carrier battle groups are ever exactly the same. Navy brass tailor each group for the mission, so every formation is a custom job. At the heart of it all, the aircraft carrier. Imagine a floating city packed with over 5,000 crew launching more than 70 jets and helicopters right off its deck. The carrier's job is to project air power, anywhere, anytime. Now, flanking the carrier, you've got two guided missile cruisers. These are the heavy hitters, loaded with cruise missiles perfect for pounding enemy targets on land or keeping hostile ships at bay. Next up, two destroyers. Destroyers have come a long way since World War II. Today they're defenders and attackers, armed to the teeth ready to shoot down aircraft, hunt submarines, and even lob Tomahawk missiles at targets hundreds of miles away. Let's not forget the frigate. This ship is all about anti-submarine warfare, scanning for enemy subs and making sure nothing sneaks up from below. Under the waves, you'll find two submarines, running silent. These stealthy hunters can strike enemy ships or subs before anyone even knows they're there. Of course, every battle group needs a supply ship carrying fuel, food, and ammo to keep the whole team in the fight. Depending on the mission, you might see troop ships, cargo vessels, even amphibious ships packed with Marines. Flexibility is the name of the game. So what happens when the carrier battle group arrives at its destination? The ships fan out, forming a defensive ring. Think of it as a high-tech shield, covering air, surface, and subsurface threats. Around 8,000 men and women stand ready, 24/7. Their top priorities: complete the mission, and defend the carrier at all costs. Now let's talk air power. The carrier's air wing is a beast, about 9 squadrons with FA-18 Hornets for strike missions, F-14 Tomcats for air superiority, S-3B Vikings and SH-60 Seahawks for submarine hunting, E-2 Sea Hawkeyes for radar control, and EA-6B Prowlers for electronic warfare. Every aircraft has a role, from launching missiles to jamming enemy radar. Destroyers scan the skies with powerful radar while Hawkeyes fly overhead, scouting hundreds of miles in every direction. Sonar and magnetic sensors on the destroyers and frigates search for threats below the waves. The goal? Create a protective bubble no enemy can breach. So next time you spot one of those massive U.S. carrier groups, remember, it's not just a show of force, it's a precision team, ready for anything the world throws at it.